This video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice and is not a call to action. Wow! Check out that profit. It's always nice to see results like this. Today's been a pretty lucky day. Just look at this crazy profit. In this video, I will show you new meme coin trading strategy using this awesome Solana trading bot. Here we are on the homepage of the service. This is an after crypto trading bot powered by advanced AI algorithms and private RPC. Now, let's quickly go through the main features of the site. First up, we have real-time sniping. The bot instantly snipes transactions in the same block as the maker. Then there's filters and safety. You can choose a trading strategy based on the real-time win rate and charts for the past month. Money back guarantee. If for any reason you're not happy, you can request a full refund, including the deposit, within 7 days. Private RPC, instant endpoints allow transactions to happen simultaneously with the makers. Without any slippage, profit tracking, you can monitor and analyze your earnings with detailed trade history. And last but not least, instant withdrawal. You can withdraw your funds within 1 to 5 minutes with no restriction. There are 2 subscription plans, one for free and the other one for $99 a month. More details are on the website, but that's the gist of it. For now, the free subscription will be enough. This video is for educational purposes only, is not financial advice, and is not a call to action. Next, I'll show you a live trading result of the bot in action. I'll be demonstrating the trading strategies it uses. By the way, I have 3 accounts on this platform, and I usually run the bot on all of them at once. Alright, let me log in into my account. Right now, I'm using the free version on this account. Here we are on the dashboard. On the left, you can see the account stats, the total deposit, profit for the last 7 days, 30 days, and total. In the center, we have the current balance, along with the deposit and withdrawal buttons. To the right, you can see mail verification and the money back button. If the bot ends up trading at a loss, you can get your funds back, kind of like insurance. Personally, I've never had to use it, as the bot has always been profitable for me. I've been using this service for quite a while now. Now, let's click on Copy Trading. At the top, we have the Start Analyzed button. This will scan the current wallets that are trading profitably. Below, we can see the overall trading stats. Total show the results from all users, and yours shows only your results. On the right, we can see the trade history for the current session. The bot is now searching for profitable wallets to follow. It doesn't just copy random wallets. It uses a risk model to analyze trading patterns, token liquidity, slippage, and potential rug pull risks. Basically, filtering out the sketchy stuff. While that's happening, let me show you one of the previous trades the bot made. Here's an example. The bot entered a trade right at the start of sale, alongside the wallet owner, and made our $1,000 in no time. It happens often with this bot. Alright, the analysis is done. Now let's check out a new profitable method. We're looking for wallets with over 1000k of dollars profit. We select meme coins and private RPC as filters. Next, we choose the amount the bot will trade with. You can start small if you're just getting started. Let's hit start, and there we go. Trading has begun. The bot is now copying high-performing wallets, trading Solana-based meme coins, and watching for entries and exits 24 hours. Here's our first trade. Everything's working smoothly. Now I let the bot run for a bit to collect some profit. I usually let it run for 2-3 hours. I'll speed up recording. We'll meet up in a little while. Okay, we're back. Look at this, a nice profit already. But remember, this isn't guaranteed. The market changes weekly, and you always need to keep an eye on it. For me, this method has been consistently profitable for the last 2 weeks. Plus, the refund option is really convenient if something doesn't go as planned. Now, let's withdraw some profits. I go to the dashboard, click withdraw, choose a currency like Solana, enter my wallet address, and hit confirm. And just like that, it's done. Now we're waiting. The withdrawal usually comes almost immediately, and it's here. Nice. Alright, that's it for today. Once again, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice, and is not a call to action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!